Hi, do you get tasks by email from your customers, coworkers, or from your boss? Move them to eWay-CRM to keep them organized. In eWay, you can see what needs to be done each day or delegate some of it to others. Without emails forwarding or CCing, it's much better. I'm Eve, your virtual consultant, and today I'll show you how to convert an email into a task. I'll also show you how to use our AI task suggestion feature to save time. Let's begin. This is Outlook Online, but what I'm about to show you is similar in other Outlooks. If you need assistance, check the links in the description. We've made videos about activating eWay-CRM and taking the first steps for every version of Microsoft Outlook. But back to my Outlook. Select an email. This one is from my customer Adam, who wants to know when we can start working on his project. I need to check with my colleague Linda first, so I'll convert the email to a task and process it later. Click on this button and select Convert to Task. eWay-CRM automatically creates a task and fills in the contact and his company. It even includes the original email so I or somebody else can get back to it anytime. Pretty cool, right? Of course, I can change whatever I want or even set somebody else as the solver. Let me change the subject and set the due date to tomorrow. This is when Linda is back at work. I will keep the task for myself and save it. And it's done. The task has now appeared on my to-do list. I can delete the email or move it to the archive. Also, my team can instantly see that I am already in charge and what my due date is. Simple. Let me show you something even cooler. Some eWay-CRM plans contain AI to save your time. If you receive an email and activate the preview panel, our AI analyzes the message and gives you a list of possible tasks you could want to create. The first one appears here and the rest of them are available under this button. To create the task, click on it and eWay-CRM will take it from here. It will create the task for me, link it with the contact, and set the due date for today. All in a single click. You don't need to do anything. Of course, you can open the task from the hub and change it. Stunning. Thank you for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit the thumbs up button below and make sure to subscribe to our channel so you won't miss any of our upcoming tutorials. You can also join our Reddit group and chat with other users. And most importantly, be effective with eWay-CRM.